Let's edit our first page in HAX. To edit this content, we click the pencil at the top. A panel opens up. In this case, it's showing us our blocks that we have. You can also see that there's the structure of the current page, the source that's powering this page, and this grayed out area, which will be for settings. So when we select something in the body of content in HAX, in this case a heading, we see the settings tab open up with heading, and then we can modify settings related to the heading. We could lock the heading, and there's even support for more advanced developer types of settings. Most people, though, are going to stick to what's under configure. To type, I just hit enter, start typing, or delete. I can do any number of operations on the text bar here. When I start typing, the bar will go away, and when I pause, it will come back. If I want to change it from a paragraph to a different type of block element, I can do that via this tab. Then we save.